Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I'm back again with another job notification for all of you, and this time the job notification is coming from Odisha Hydro Power Corporation Limited, that is OHPC. Okay, so they are inviting applications for graduate engineer trainees GETs through GATE 2023. Okay, now the starting date for submission of application in offline mode. They are inviting applications in offline mode and payment of application fees through DD. Okay, so here you'll have to work harder. 1st of August the date is starting and the last date is 31st of August for receipt of the hard copy of application in complete shape along with all the enclosures, that is all the attachments that you have to send. Now, OHPC is a gold rated PSU having 6 projects within the state and 1 interstate project. Now, how many vacancies are there, beta? In electrical, highest vacancies is 27, then 3 in civil, 3 mechanical, 3 instrumentation and 2 IT. Okay, along with reservation, the details are given. Now, stipend payable per month. During the training period, you will be getting a stipend of rupees 50,000, and after completion of training, you will be appointed as assistant manager in the pay scale of 56,100 to 1,77,500. Initial basic pay will be 56,100. Now, during the training period, you will be paid stipend plus medical allowances at a fixed rate of 200 per month and an additional amount of 1,000 per month for posting at Balimela and Mukhiguda as remote area allowance. Okay. After completion of training, you will get the basic pay, the DA, HRA and all other allowances. Now training will be for a period of 1 year. And unless otherwise extended, if they want to extend, they can extend as well. On successful completion of training, you will be appointed in the respective cadre on probation for a period of 1 year. Probation period is 1 year after training and on regular pay scale with other allowances as mentioned. Service of trainee may be terminated during the training period without any notice, without giving any reason. They can terminate you without any notice period. Okay, service agreement bond during training first year, your bond is 2,16,000. During probation, it is 1,50,000, and after confirmation after 2 years, it is just 90,000. Essential qualification, beta, for electrical, you need to have a degree in electrical. Triple E is also eligible in electrical from recognized university with 60% marks. Okay. And it is 50% for SC, ST and PWBD. Now for civil, the degree is in civil. For mechanical, it is in mechanical. Instrumentation, it is instrumentation control. Okay. And PG diploma will also work in instrumentation and control. IT, you can have computer engineering or computer science. The minimum age is 21 years and the maximum is 38 years on 1st of July 2023. And age relaxation is given to category candidates. Okay, this is the detail of the reservation that they have provided. So you can go through it if any sort of reservation is applicable to you. Now, selection process. You will be shortlisted on the basis of your GATE 2023 score only. There is no interview as such, and GATE score of 2022 or before that is not applicable. So once you are shortlisted, you will be called for document verification, beta, and list of shortlisted candidates for document verification will be uploaded in their website and call letter will be sent to your email ID. After document verification, offer of appointment will be shared with you, and in case 2 students have the same GATE score, the career marks will be taken into consideration in order to finalize. That is, your BTech marks will be considered. Now, application fees is rupees 750 in the form of a DD drawn in the favor of OHPC Limited, payable at Bhubaneswar. Okay. General information. At present, only offline applications are invited. Okay. For valid GATE 2023 score, valid score means you must be above cutoff. degree certificate, caste certificate, ODIA test pass certificate, discharge certificate, ID card of physically handicapped person must have been issued by competent authority within the last date. Okay. Candidate found guilty of seeking support. You can go through this, all the details. Okay. You can go through all the details. And how to apply? Application in the prescribed format in A4 size paper. You have to download, you have to print it, and along with your 2 recent passport color photograph, one to be signed on the front and pasted and other to be enclosed. Just sign on the photograph once and paste it on the form, and just enclose the other photograph in the same envelope in which you are submitting your application. You need to have 10th pass certificate, 12th pass certificate, degree certificate and degree mark sheet, copy of GATE 2023 scorecard, and your registration, that is your registration paper na, that registration form. Okay. Certificate for your caste, PH certificate, discharge certificate, sports certificate, experience certificate, Odia language passing certificate if applicable. It is not compulsory. If you have learned Odia, you can enclose that. Non-refundable DD of 750 rupees. And now, when you send the application, you have to write on the envelope, application for the post of GET to Chief General Manager HR, OHPC Limited, OSPH and WC Building, Vani Vihar, Chowk, Janpat, Bhubaneswar. Okay. And it must reach before 31st of August. So guys, one thing I would like to advise you, send it as quickly as possible, because even if it gets delayed or if it is not delivered, you can send it once again. But if you send it late and it does not get delivered, you will be rejected. Now, in case you have any query, you can call on this number or mail on this email ID. Remember, the opening date is 1st of August and the last date is 31st of August. Now, so you should definitely apply, because there is no personal interview. There are higher chances of getting selected if you have a good GATE score. Secondly, beta, if any GATE 24 or 25 candidate is watching this video, we have extended our offer till 31st of July, where all our courses have 20% discount on batches. You can directly go and purchase on the website and the app. You need not apply any code. Already there is 20% price drop in the batches. For machines course, you have to apply the code EM20. For test series, there is a 10% discount using the code Ankit ESE without any spaces. Okay. Just go to our website or Exam Dost app available on the Android or iOS and join our batches. We have just started the course on electrical machine. You can still become a part of our batches and learn in the best manner possible with the most hardworking teacher for all of you. And together we'll make it, together we'll break it. Okay. So that's it from my side. In case you have any queries, message on our WhatsApp number 70890-47561. If you have any queries regarding this notification, please put it in the comment section. Okay. Put it in the comment section. I'll reply to each and every comment of yours. Thank you.